Market has dropped all the way from here to the downside, and with a very volatile week in this week of trading. And as a result of the fact that this market moved all the way from here to this point of support because of the Fed interest rate and the Bank of England interest rate as well. And the market is at this very point. What I want you to look out for in the next week of trading next week is the market coming back down a little bit, not aggressive movement to the downside on Euro USD. Market should drop right down into this very price level of 1.06226 and this price level of 1.05956. Market should drop into this very zone, and after that we'll see the market move back a little bit to the upside. This is what I'm expecting on Euro USD. Don't buy the market as the market open next week of trading. Market is going to sell off a little bit before we see that good retracement in the market on Euro USD. And on GBPUSD right here, what you need to understand is that this market have sell off all the way from here to this very area. Massive sell off in the market on GBPUSD, and right now don't expect any more sell off next week. Market is going to retrace significantly before continuation to the downside. So the price level you need to watch on GBPUSD is where the market is right now at this very point and this very area of 1.21991. So market should drop from here into this area, and within this very zone of support, we're going to see the market retrace significantly upward into this very area of resistance before market is going to continue back down. What that means is you should not take a buy position here, neither a sell position after the opening of the market next week. Market is going to drop a little bit, and then it will be a nice time to buy for counter trend position. Now, if you are not a counter trend trader, you need to wait for the market to retrace significantly. Then at the end of retracement will be a nice time for you to take a sell position to the downside, because this market is still going to move down after this retracement, then continuation back down. So what you need to do on GBPUSD is selling the market if you are not a counter trend trader. If you're a counter trend trader, it will be a nice time for you to buy from here. Market move a little bit and then you close the position. And if you want to trade with a trend, you have to wait for the market to retrace a little bit into this area. Continuation will be a nice time to sell from this very point of resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to on GBPUSD and Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. If you have not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it and do a registration, and also check other educational content on the channel. Thank you for watching, and help subscribe to the channel.